Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to hide navigation bar in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you might be wondering how to hide this navigation bar. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you scroll down and then you will find there something say display. After click over display, into scroll down and then you will find here something say navigation bar. After click over there, if you decide to hide navigation bar, you can simply click here swipe gesture. So from now you can see my phone completely hide the navigation bar. So for now, if you want to back, just swipe up. If you want to go main menu, just from this main menu swipe up, or you can go click here option just like this. So within this simple way, you can easily hide navigation bar in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.